Already have an older security system? Don't replace it, just upgrade it. Make your old security system new again with an EyezOn EnvisaLink. The new EnvisaLink 4 is a powerful IP-based interface card designed to web-enable existing DSC and Honeywell security systems. It allows you to view the status of and even control your alarm panel through a standard web browser or smartphone. With the free EnvisaLerts cloud service and app, your control is enhanced and can be extended to anywhere in the world. EnvisaLerts also allows you to specify email, SMS, and push notification app-only contacts to receive alarms, arms, disarms, and much more. The EyezOn mobile app is available for Android and iPhones through the Apple App Store and Google Play for download. The EyezOn mobile app will allow you to manage your security system remotely, as well as send push notifications directly to your mobile device. The EnvisaLink 4 installs in minutes on either type of system and can easily be done by anyone. As new software features become available, the EnvisaLink 4 is easily upgraded over the network and automatically keeps itself up to date. The EnvisaLink 4 is already compatible with many major home automation systems, including Amazon Alexa. Upgrading your old system with an EyezOn EnvisaLink 4 will give you that extra peace of mind that your family and home are safe when you can't be there, and it vastly extends the usefulness of your old system by allowing integration with new technologies as they arise.